opened the wrong box. That's what happens. It's hot here. The heat. Now we'll see if they got a queen on them. It doesn't look good. This hive, they don't have food. They don't have. They got some pollen. A little bit of nectar. But see this one, they are down to so they have a queen. Let's see what she looks like. They are down to just minimal bees, about 3 frames worth. This one is very small and needs food. They have none. Basically, they're really light. Somebody's out here doing target practice, it sounds like. So this one right here, there's no point in keeping a hive like this for the winter. Now what we could do is I'll get some food on it, and I will probably come back here in 2 weeks and assess her, and we might, if she's going to be laying good, we might put her in a 3-frame mating nuke, and we can overwinter mating nukes 3 frames if we can get food on her and stuff. This hive needs food though. But taking this hive as is right now through the winter, she's not going to do anything. She'll die out and she will not make it. So that one right there, what should be done is you need to divide those resources up, give them to another hive, place them wherever you want to. We might do that. Let me check this hive, see where this one's at. This one's a little bit better. What we might do is just combine these two right here. And I'll show you how we do it. Very simple. Easy peasy. Yeah, this one has food. Good food. They're bringing in resources, bringing in nectar. They have pollen. Good nectar on it. Let's see where they're at though. Alright, so I don't see any larvae or anything in that one. Well, this one is no good. Check out this queen right here. So this is a dud of a queen. See those? They're kind of raised right here. They're not flat. She's laying drones. They're coming out. Let me see if I can find this queen. Make sure it is a queen and not laying worker. We don't want that. but she's not a good, she's no good. We need to get rid of her. So here she is. Here she is right there. Oh, dropped her. Let me see where she went. Right here. Alright. So she's right there. She's a back wing. We just smash her. Alright, well you have to be able to get rid of them. Throw her on the ground. Now they are done. What we're going to do is I'm going to put this box right here in the middle. I'm going to shake these bees out, and they are going to pick a hive, and they will just join up. And what we will do from some of these stronger hives, I'll take a frame, a brood, and we'll boost this one up, and they'll be good to go and get ready for winter. There's a lot of bees in here. They got good resources in here, so we're going to give them much needed food for this one. This queen is laying great right here. The pink one right here, she's laying great. So let's give them, we'll switch out all these food and stuff, give them some much needed resources that they need. Now, if this, say this, let's say this colony was super strong and the queen turned dud and stuff, you know, I would probably come back and do this, but they're both fairly weak. Keep the brood frames there. They got nectar on this one, we'll keep that there. And we're going to make sure we got an empty one. So we're going to put this one there. An empty one next to this brood one. And then we're going to just shake these bees off. There's some food. Here's a solid brood. That'd be good. That's what they need. They need that food. Not going to worry about these brood frames at all. We'll get them cleaned up from some stronger colonies that can handle it. There's some food, much needed food for these, so that is good. What we're going to do, we're going to take this box, move it out of the way, and we're going to put this right here in the middle and stuff, and there you go. And so all these foragers are going to come back in here. It's going to populate this one up. I don't think they're going to do anything with the queen. I usually don't have any problem with it. You know, we just dump them out right there and get rid of this. Alright, and that's all that we're doing to merge these hives together. So this one's going to get these bees all in here. You know, you want to split the resources up. They got good resources on them now. They're good with food, so that's a good thing. They're going to be better populated going forward. So these bees will come in here and they'll fight a little bit, But like I said, both of them are pretty weak, so there's not a whole bunch going on. And this one is probably a little bit better off because the queen was better for sure. That other one was a dud queen, so we definitely don't want her. I mean, she would have not have made it through. Well, she probably wouldn't have made it till the fall and stuff. So we need to get these changed out. But this is what we do when we talk about getting the colonies ready for the fall. So we took the bad colony, we took the dud queen, put her out. This is a new queen because the last time I was out here they didn't have a queen. It was about 3 weeks ago. There was nothing in here, so she's a new queen. So we'll keep an eye on her, but she should be very good if she's and make it through winter because she's strong. If it got mated well. And out here I'm not really worried about it. This one is usually a pretty good yard set up, so that will be good. So she'll probably make it, and that's how that goes. So there you go. But that's how they're looking at. We're gonna go through this line. We'll cut the video here and do that. But that's how we combine. It's just real simple, just like that. Now, like I said, now if it was a big colony, let's say it was this colony right here, and we were combining it with this colony. If this one had a queen and this one had a queen, then we're gonna pinch a queen. I might come back, you know, but I'll probably use an excluder and just set the littlest one on top of the biggest one and stuff. So if this one is the littlest one and that one was the biggest one right there, I would just set it on top of each other and just set it directly on. Mother Nature's gonna do her thing. That's how we combine them. It's real simple, easy. We don't put a lot of thought into it. It is what it is. We appreciate it. We'll catch you on the next one. See ya.